Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do to make it look like you're holding planets in your hands. You don't need VIP for this, that's why I'm going here, but first you'll need the swords, and then you're going to select the double toggle on it. Then you're going to want to grab the balloons, which is here. Keep forgetting where they are. And then you can basically add in some like planet patterns onto it, like this. Maybe it's like Neptune or Uranus. I don't know the planet colors, I'm so sorry. But that's pretty much it. You can like change the patterns to like a sun pattern or whatever you want. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm just trying to show you guys with the flame pattern for the sun, like that could be cool. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.